out here at DLM Performance right now. We brought down Brian's G35. We're actually doing a nice little exhaust for him. We're getting him basically swapped over from a dual tip to a single exit, full 3-inch exhaust, and then later on we should be getting the car tuned, so we'll see how the car reacts and everything and how it does. But for now, we'll kind of show you guys the process, how it all works, being able to convert this car from the current standing of it is to a 3-inch full single exit. It's gonna be nasty, super nasty once it's all done and everything. So if you guys are interested in getting exhaust work done, highly recommend it. DLM Performance. That's it. That's all you need to know. So we had a little bit of a split here on the exhaust here canister. So now went ahead and got that welded together. It looks all super clean and everything. This looks so good. It's gonna be insane to throw on this car. Just look at that barrel right there. Oof. So Brian, you excited? Oh yeah. It's gonna be awesome, huh?
I'm just tired of this dual, so we're gonna end up going with a still and white pipe. And then we're just going to do a custom 3-inch all the way back. We're here at DLM Performance. They're hooking us up with the exhaust for the G35. Can you give us a rundown on what you do? What's your name?
Chris.
Chris? Brian. Can you give us a rundown on what you guys actually do here, more or less in and outs on a daily basis?
A lot of exhaust work. We're really into the diesel performance world, lift kits, lowering kits, etc. My main passion is builds like this.
And also, we're going to put the name down below. Just give them a follow, guys. They do a lot of good work in local Sarasota area.
Yep.
Sarasota area. Just get whatever you guys need done. Tell them VQ Boys Performance sent you guys, and we'll see you guys here.
Can you tell us a little bit about the build here?
This is built by Ultimate Air Ride in Arizona. It was the first 2500 built with a Ford axle in the front.
It has a Ford axle in the front?
That's a Ford Dana 60. Yeah.
Really? That's impressive. That's wild. Was that like a hard conversion to do?
Yeah. You can see all the bends in here that they had to do to get it to work.
Oh shit.
How they cross
wow.
over.
Yeah. This is so badass. Look at those wheels. Nice 24s on there. Huge tires. Oh my gosh. Such a wicked ride. Look at that headliner in there. Oh, that's so pretty. One really cool thing about this truck, it's actually equipped with an air ride suspension. So this thing will air out. This is just one of the bad rides here. Man, this thing is nasty. All right, so check out. OMG. So, Brian, when are you getting yours?
After what, 100,000 subscribers?
Meanwhile.
Once again, Brian working again on another car. So we're out here over at ZFever right now with VQ Brian, obviously, VQ Boys Performance. We're bringing his G to just get a nice tune on it and everything, throw a flame map on there since we now have the new exhaust on it and everything. The exhaust came out awesome. It sounds so good and so clean. We also had the chance to film this car here, Aaron Newman on YouTube, AA G35. Shout out to him. Have a sick video that's going to be coming here for it. This thing made some nasty power here on the dyno. He's just detailing it for you, that's all.
Detailing it for me, thank you.
He wants to make sure it looks clean.
For all the bitches.
should. I think you should.
Driving it first. I gotta.
All right, Brian, moment of truth. You ready for this?
Bro, I'm telling you, and I tell everybody this daily. If it makes anything over 245, I'm happy. This is not a car to beat on. Martin will tell you, these cars are slow.
We're thinking it's gonna put down about 245 or so. There's not a whole lot done to the car, just a couple of minor bolt-ons and everything. So 245 seems reasonable. We'll see how it does and everything. We'll have some fun though along the way. And of course, gotta have a flame map. Why not? Charizard tune, that's the best.
Daily, guys. This is a f***ing daily. Is that normal?
Look at that.
Hey, Martin just said it. You're supposed to make less than this horsepower reading right here in the nozzle.
So, Ro, what are we looking at here?
We're looking at 253 already, and Martin's still, messing around with a couple things.
All right, so she made 253 horsepower at about just over 6,000 RPM, 243 torque.
Yeah, plus I showed the license.
For a stock ass DE, this is perfect.
It's gonna be great.
All it is just headers and full exhaust. Guys, I have a manual car. My Z's always been a manual race car, so this is just a new element for us. We're just trying different things out. Yeah, it's just a fun car, and as if you make less than 253, don't sit next to me, don't bust your ass.
What are you spraying on there?
We're going down the manifold right now, so it runs a little bit colder. So that way we can probably peak out like 2 or 3 more horsepower off of it. After we let it sit for about 10, 12 minutes, 15 minutes depending, we can actually cool it down and you can do a colder run so it can actually pull out a little bit more horsepower. So right now you can see we did our best pass at 253. Pulling it down, I'd say the most we can probably squeeze out of it is maybe 254, 255. We're aiming for 255. That would be amazing on a basically stock DE with size full exhaust back and an intake. Other than that, ton of space as well. Other than that, we really don't have any mods like that, my ported manifolds, nothing like that. This is just like a test dummy basically. We wanted to see how much paint I'm gonna get after I put my ported manifolds on it, and then see what Martin can squeeze out of that.
You know what Martin said he's gonna try to go for, right?
What?
He's trying to go for 260.
Bruh.
Martin said he's gonna try to go for 260. So, Brian, what just happened?
We busted 260 thanks to Martin.
We just pulled
God
260 horsepower.
We did not think at all it was gonna make this much.
You ready?
Oh, I'm absolutely
You ready to run now?
Oh yeah.